Hey, do you know what project planning is in project management?
Of course! It's the process of defining the scope, objectives, and goals of a project and creating a plan to achieve them. It's the foundation of successful project management.
Interesting. What are the 5 stages of project planning?
The first stage is initiation, where you define the project's purpose and feasibility. The second stage is planning, where you create a detailed project plan, including timelines, budgets, and resources. The third stage is execution, where you implement the plan and manage the project. The fourth stage is monitoring and controlling, where you track progress and make adjustments. The final stage is closure, where you complete the project and evaluate its success.
Wow, that's a lot of stages. Why is project planning so important?
Project planning sets the direction and scope of the project and ensures that all stakeholders are aligned. It also helps manage risks, anticipate problems, and allocate resources effectively. Without project planning, projects are more likely to fail or run over budget and time.
That makes sense. What's the project life cycle?
The project life cycle is the sequence of phases a project goes through from start to finish. It includes initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closure. Each stage has its own set of tasks, deliverables, and objectives to achieve. Understanding the project life cycle is crucial for effective project planning and management.
Thanks for explaining that. Do you have any tips for effective project planning?
Sure! One tip is to involve all stakeholders in the planning process and seek their input and feedback. Another tip is to break down the project into smaller, manageable tasks and prioritize them based on their importance. And finally, make sure to use project management software to stay organized and on track.
Those are great tips. Thanks for sharing your expertise.
No problem. Let's keep planning and managing successful projects together.